Memorial Day celebration was a little bare bones, or maybe you want just a little extra when you're taking your family to the great outdoors. I'm here with Brett Parris of Parris RV, and we've got something for the adventurers, or the would-be adventurers. Tell me about this model you have.
Yeah, this is a 2020 No Boundaries. We call them NOBOs, and the model is called a 19.8. It weighs just under 4,000 pounds, so you can tow it with a mid-size SUV. And talk about an adventure vehicle.
Look at
this
those
is
tires.
it.
Those are off-road tires, right?
It's got a little lift kit on it, big off-road wheels and tires, Mutter-style tires. It's got a kayak rack. It's got bike racks. You can put your kayaks up there, your bikes up there. Everything you need to get your family and get off the beaten path.
These people I envy. Whenever I see one of these packed to the brim with their bikes, their paddle boards, I'm like, I need to be in their family. But I can have it all myself. You
know, an adventure camping trip in a real small compact package made to get in the backcountry. I love that front cap they put on them new this year with the front windshield. You know, having more windows is better than having less. So it's just really nice and open and airy in a small compact trailer with a slide out on the side that gives you lots of floor space.
Yes, it does feel roomy in there despite being compact, despite being light. You have everything you need. Not just to sleep a couple of people, but you have that secret bonus in the back here.
You know, absolutely amazing. You've got a set of bunk beds in the back quarter with that. Yeah, with the slide out, you can still make that down. That sofa will make down to sleep too. Of course, you got a queen bed across the front. So yes, you can sleep 6. It's got a real nice corner bathroom with plenty of room, and it's got everything: air conditioning, fully self-contained, nice kitchen, indoor-outdoor little sound system. Everything to take your family out and enjoy some time.
This is so great. I have a camper van and I need to upgrade now because 3 people in a van, guys, does not work that great. This has enough room to be comfy inside with the family. Of course, you got this great awning outdoors.
You know, you come back from a hike or something with your family, you want to hang out on the hang out under the awning, enjoy some time. There you go.
Fire, and then retire to your nice comfy beds inside. Thank you so much, Brett. Where can people find you?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray right on State Street. This one's at the south location, which is 5545 South State, or shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, new goal: become an adventure family. Got it.